India plans for a massive IPO of India's largest insurer, LIC. This is part of a larger privatization drive to help the economy recover from the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Now, economists estimate that the Life Insurance Corporation, or LIC, of India's IPO will be India's largest IPO, or initial public offering, to date, which would result in the government earning over $10 billion US. This offer is likely to be approved by SEBI within the next few days. Here's what you need to know about the LIC IPO. Number one, what is the LIC IPO? The LIC IPO is an offer for sale by the Indian government with no fresh issue of shares by Life Insurance Corporation, or LIC. The Indian government holds a 100% stake over the 632.49 crore shares of LIC. The face value of shares is 10 rupees each. Now, this is historic. It's by far the biggest initial public offering of the stock market. Two, what's the status of the listing plan? The Union Cabinet has approved the disinvestment of equity in LIC. A panel headed by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will also decide on the size of the share sale. Now, the government has also amended the LIC Act of 1956 for this proposed initial public offering. LIC, which will no longer be governed by the government, will be governed by the Companies Act and by the SEBI Act. After the amendment, like any other listed company, LIC has to prepare a corporate balance sheet with profit or loss figures and also make public any key developments. Three, who benefits from the LIC IPO? If you have an LIC policy, you may just be a beneficiary of the LIC IPO. This is because the government has stated that up to 10% of the issue size in the IPO will be reserved for LIC policyholders. This means that there could be a discount on the floor price for you. So if you hold an LIC insurance policy, you may benefit. Four, how does the LIC IPO benefit investors? Now, investors also see potential for massive growth with the LIC IPO, and here's why. LIC is the biggest life insurer in the country. It has 2.9 lakh employees and a network of over 22 lakh agents. Five, why is the government doing the LIC IPO? The government is moving forward with this LIC IPO to recover quicker from the coronavirus pandemic. The LIC IPO is integral for the government to meet its disinvestment target, which it has failed to meet for 3 years in a row now. A disinvestment target is important for a country because it aims to reduce financial burden and raise money to meet public needs in India. From the LIC IPO, the Indian government aims to collect between 50,000 crore rupees to 1 lakh crore rupees, depending on the offer price. Six, are there any challenges for the LIC IPO? A big challenge could be whether the Indian market is able to handle such a big issue. Global inflation is a concern in multiple countries, and central banks around the world are looking to raise interest rates. This means that equity markets will be under pressure for a while. The sheer size of the LIC issue could be well above 50,000 crore rupees and would, without a doubt, disrupt markets. Though the LIC IPO may be good for the development of India's capital markets as well as good for India's overall economic growth, the results may take some time to come about. Like and share this video. Be sure to leave your comments below. Keep watching News 9. Until next time, this is Priyanka signing off. Namaste.